Speak loud.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Wa alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah. How old are you?
10.
10. Inshallah, next year you will be 11 by the will of Allah.
Inshallah.
Did I count right? MashaAllah. Okay, let's go.
I went to Umrah.
MashaAllah.
I have a quick question and answer with it.
Okay.
Ramadan is a generous month.
Yes.
This month has a lot of sacrifices.
Allahu Akbar. May Allah bless you and strengthen you.
A lot of people die in this month.
A lot of people die in Ramadan.
And sometimes you cannot see your other Ramadan. But you shouldn't be scared of that because we all know where we're going to go. Inshallah, Jannat al-Firdaus. May Allah grant us all to Jannat al-Firdaus.
Ameen.
And may Allah bring us to all the good deeds we have.
Ameen.
And I'm wishing to be a scholar like you, inshallah.
Inshallah, better than me, inshallah.
Inshallah, ya Rabb. May Allah bring us to the best we can, inshallah, to our best modify.
Ameen.
And a lot of people stand up for you, Mufti Meng. And a lot of people are trying to be willing to stand up for you and trying to be the best as we can.
MashaAllah.
So may Allah bring us all to the right path, inshallah.
Ameen. Ameen. Ameen.